What's up, guys? Mike and Curtis here. Today, I'm going to kind of do what Dawson did. I don't know if you guys saw it. If you didn't, go back and check it out. He went through his GoPro bag. Now, I don't actually have the GoPro bag, but I do got this book bag that I use for GoPro and my laptop, stuff like that. So I figured I'd show you what I've got in mind. Why not? So let's go ahead and dive on in and let's see what I carry around with me when I go filming. All right, so here we are. Here's the front of it. A little bit of Rick and Morty for any Rick and Morty fans. Right off the bat, we got this little pocket right here. I like to keep a little plug-in wall charger, little brick. Not sure the specs. There's the specs. I keep that in there. I keep a couple GoPro charging cables. I like to keep this for my phone in case I want to check out a video real quick. Put your SD card in there and plug that into your phone. Boom. And I do believe that is it for that little pocket. I'll leave all that out. Right here hanging on this little clip, this is all my GoPro batteries for my new 8. I got this in there, charges 3 batteries at a time. That's why I keep the extra cords. They stay in that pocket. And then there's just a whole bunch of batteries. That's what stays there. And sometimes I also clip my little vape bag to it. This has my juice, an extra set of batteries, stuff like that. On the sides, I've got this little telescoping handle. There it is. Pretty cool. I like the grip on it. That feels pretty comfortable in the hand. And you twist it to tighten it up, so that way it doesn't go back down from the weight of the GoPros. That's in there. A little floating handle that floats in the water, so you don't lose your GoPro if you ever like the ocean. That is actually it for that side. Get that down up in there. I'm trying to make this quick. I don't want to bore anybody. This side, unfortunately, I'm actually using it. I keep a bipod in there, or tripod in there. It fits in there. It uses, I can mount my phone to it or a GoPro. It's got a little GoPro mount that screws into the top, but right now I'm using it for my phone. Excuse me. Right up here, before we actually get into the bag, I've got this little pocket that I keep my GoPros in. They just chill right there. The silver, and then the 8. I think that's like a sunglass pocket because it has like this felt to it, but I thought it'd be nicer for the GoPros to chill in there. Now on to the big pocket. You're gonna laugh at me because it's a bag within a bag, but I keep that bag in there just because. And then sometimes if I go to like somebody's house, I'm gonna bring my laptop. You can put your laptop in there, cords. This is supposed to go in my kayak once I get it back out. Little gooseneck accessory. So yeah, I just got that in there so I don't lose it for right now. But yeah, overall this is a great little book bag. I'm not too familiar with the company, but yeah. So now that the book bag's open, we can reveal the legit GoPro bag. We'll start off with this. I've got a little baby tripod. In here, it's a bunch of accessories. Like the hat clip you saw in the video, this little swivel piece, another extra clip, some extra stickies, a lanyard of some kind, in case you don't want to lose it, you're in a kayak or something, another different style clip. This goes to the tripod that's in the back pocket. So I didn't want to lose it, so I just stuck it in there with all this. That all goes in there a special way, but I'll get that all later. This side has another cord, of course, and extra memory sticks and SD cards. So yeah, never want to run out of SD cards. In the main pocket, we have my favorite chest mount. I use this a lot. I also have the head mount. I have my shorty little tripod. Got a lot of tripods. Extra clips. A silicone case for the 8. Another extra clip. Some extra pins. And I do believe that is it. So yeah, let me know if you guys think I'm missing anything. Thank you. So that was just a look at what's inside my GoPro bag. Let me know if I'm missing any accessories that you guys like to use. I think I got a little bit of everything, but you know, there's always that what if, you know, this guy has that and he likes it for that. So let me know what you guys like to use. With that being said, I end all my videos with a couple hits. So here we go. Lost my drip tip, so I got to use this nice little purple one. It works. It goes with the box, of course. See? Purple, purple. But yeah. One more hit. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Or maybe Dawson will. Who knows? Thank you for watching.